create a stationery and paper goods e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just click on login and you proceed to type in your email or your username, and then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load, and then you will be able to type in your password. And here, after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is giving a name to the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click continue after typing the name of the store, and then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you proceed to answering another question and do the same again. Choose the answer that fits you, and then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about stationery and paper goods. So let's see if we can find something related to that in this list. So here we have tech products, tools and parts, and art and crafts. So I think I'm just going to use arts and crafts category. And if you can't find your category in here, you just click on other, then you click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build your store. Then you will proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and here in your right you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase. And also we have the design now button, which does the same job as the editing site. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each section for you. So let's start with the website, and here we have the edit site button again, and we have the domains button, and it's where you can set your domain name or change the domain name that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site items, where you can create new products or delete the ones that you already have, or basically manage your products. Then we have the sites categories. If you want to categorize the products that you already created, you can do that in this place. Then we have options and coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the others section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and the paid one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources, online sales, and so on. And if you want to see all of these reports, the summary of all these reports, you just click on summary and you can see it. And by closing this one, then we have the marketing section, where you can find everything related to growing your audience or growing your clients, from the email to automated ads, mailing lists, and so on. And if you want again to see the summary of all these tools, you just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And then we have, last but not least, we have the settings section, where you have the general settings, where you can change the name of the company or set your address, your email, your phone number, or change them. As you can see in here, you can change the company name, set the address, the email, the phone number. Then you have the checkout where you can set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes and the units where you can change the language or edit the units that you have. So that's it for these sections. Let's close this one and let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here you will need to be a little bit patient, guys. It will take some seconds to load. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. And here it is. You have the setup guide. You can just ignore it and you can go with it if you want, but I'm just going to ignore it. It will disappear right now. And here it is. The first step of creating your store is choosing the style of the store, as you can see here. But first let's wait for the store to be fully loaded. Then let's choose a style for the store. So here it is. The store is loaded, as you can see. And here I'm going to choose the first one as my style and then click on hide styles. Check if the style fits my requirements or meets my requirements. Then click on apply site styles. Then we proceed to the site design where we have site styles if you want to change them again, and also add an image if you want to set your logo, change colors, fonts, shape, and if you want to change these elements. But you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid plan, as you can see here. Upgrade, and when you're done you click on done. Then you will proceed to changing the pages and the sections that you have in the store. So just close this one, dismiss all, dismiss again. As I said, here you can change all of the sections that you have. If you want to create new ones, you click on the plus button in there. And if you want to hide a section, you just click on this one and you hide it and show section. And if you want to change the placement of it, you just drag it down or up. And if you want to delete it, you click on the deleting button, as you can see in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.